and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and Sloppy Joes were a huge part of my childhood growing up. And of course the master chef to make these was my grandma. So with heavy inspiration and respect to the original recipe, I bring you vegan Sloppy Joes. Let's dive in. Put a medium pot on the stove and start boiling some water for the main ingredient of this dish, lentils. Add the lentils to the water and bring it down to a simmer. We'll leave it covered for 20 minutes. Now onto the flavor. Start by mincing up an onion and set that aside. Then grab another pot, put it on the stove at medium-low heat, and add in some vegan butter. Next goes in some apple cider vinegar and ketchup. Let's spice this up with some ground mustard before adding some water, brown sugar, and lemon juice. Add a couple dashes of vegan Worcestershire sauce, and lastly those onions. Keep that on the heat until it begins to simmer, then keep simmering it for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This will allow those flavors to mingle and give you an amazing savory sandwich. Now add in your cooked lentils and continue simmering for another 10 minutes, or until that amazing sauce gets soaked up. Now that the Sloppy Joe mix is all made, get out a pack of your favorite buns and let's plate this dish. Oh, this Sloppy Joe's definitely living up to its name. This family recipe captures all the flavors that I remember growing up. It really reminds me of hanging out with Grandma. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there's any recipes you'd like us to try in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and Sloppy Joes. That's it. You're welcome. Start. Roll the tape.